Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the dispenser drip tray in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a minute or two to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new drip tray. The dispenser drip tray is located at the bottom of the dispenser cavity. It serves as a support for cups and allows water to drip down to the drain tray. The tray can be removed and reinstalled. The main reason for the dispenser drip tray to be replaced is if it cracks or is simply missing. To remove the drip tray, all we need to do is push in the corners and release one hand and remove the drip tray. This is the old drip tray next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. The new drip tray goes back in. Very simple, just align the contour and drop it down. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.